There he is. He's right to those branches.
I got him right on my camera screen here.
See?
I did for a second, now I lost it.
If you look between the far branch and this branch, he's right in between.
Mom, if you just look at my screen.
I know they say they've spotted some in Hamilton along the river, but I've never seen them.
Camera's trying to focus in on the leaves. I lost him.
I guess he's trying to take stuff to his nest. I don't know. I don't know, waste time. There you go. There's the hole he died.
What's he got in there?
I don't know.
He took something in there. And he brought back out.
And put it back in.
Maybe he's using it to dig with.
I don't know. Weird little thing. Then can't make up his mind, I guess. Where should the couch go?
Yeah, he was trying to use it to dig with.
Don't think it worked.
He's going to use it again.
Amazing, man.
Yeah. He's a weird little wasp, isn't he? He's like orange
Yeah.
and black. He looks almost like a firefly. Hmm?